For that, well, Sudarshan Sukhani as well as Shrikant Chouhan, both of them join us this morning to give us a quick technical check. Good morning, gentlemen. Well, Sudarshan, how would you trade the index? We'll actually start off mildly in the green, but there is still some weakness. We're not out of the woods. Your sense?
Yeah, good morning, Nigel. See, on Wednesday, there was a small trading range which took 5 days to develop. And my point was, if it breaks 18,030, we are looking at a breakdown. That breakdown happened and it took just 1 hour for the Nifty to go down 200 points. So my really point is that markets go into trading ranges and take days to develop that range. And sometimes it takes only hours to fulfill the targets of that range. Once that is done, the market again goes into a huddle, which is exactly what should happen today. We have completed a decline. The chances are we will go into a choppy environment once again. Markets will go up and go down, but the lows that we made on Wednesday are likely to hold. So chances are, if we can spend the first 2-3 hours in a choppy environment, there would be an opportunity to buy a dip, not a breakout, buy a dip, and then see what happens for the rest of the day. So that's the trade for today. Wait for the choppiness and then buy a dip. That's for the Nifty. The Bank Nifty is a complete avoid. It was a disaster. It will take many days to recover from that.
It's okay. The Bank Nifty is a complete avoid. Shrikant Chouhan is also with us. Shrikant, hi, good morning. Interesting times, right? I mean, you had the IT sector that's come back into action. Autos are back in a big way. What are you doing on the index now, and on individual stocks, what are you looking at?
Yeah, good morning, Shunya. Good morning, everyone. I think, see, the way the market is like forming its trading range, and now the selling is intensifying. Whenever the market is opening or starts trading somewhere close to 18,150, we see a good amount of selling pressure in the market. And this time the Bank Nifty is creating some more pressure in the market. So this time we need to see that whether the market manages to sustain above the mark of 17,750 or not, because above this level, the market has spent almost a month. So in case if we see the market is dropping below 17,750, then certainly we are going to see further more weakness. But as the markets are like oversold in terms of option statistics, the put call ratio of the current series is around 0.60, which clearly indicates that we may see some activity or some reversal in the near term. So we are of the view that, as Mr. Sudarshan had said, that the market should go up from current levels. We are of the view that it should recover from current levels. With the stop loss of 17,750, we should be buyer in the market if there is any correction in the first part of the market. And on the higher side, again, 18,050, 18,100 is going to act as resistance. For the Bank Nifty, 41,500 is the level. Below that, we can expect 41,000 in the short term.
And individual stocks?
For the stock specific, again, we need to focus on few metal companies before the announcement of the budget. We like Hindalco, which is around 489, 490. There we are expecting stock to move towards the levels of 500, 510. We can keep stop loss at 490. And the other stock which we like is from the IT basket. Infosys is the stock to buy for. 1540, 1545 was the closing. We are expecting stock to move towards 1600 in the near term. We can keep stop loss around 1520.
Okay, all right, got that, Shrikant. Sudarshan, what about you, individual stocks?
Well, TCS is a buy. Now it's a buy for the day also, but Sonia and Nigel, you know, the real wealth is created if you hold on to these blue chips. It's a perfect buying opportunity if you want to hold it for months and weeks and months and years. Current levels are very attractive. But for the short-term trader, buy TCS with a stop under 3,400. IRCTC actually was in a trading range and broke down yesterday from that range. So many other stocks did it, but it doesn't have a very good chart. It's an intraday short. Short selling should be done only intraday. Intraday short with a stop above 644. Marico is an outperformer. Finally, after a big decline, it's moving in a trading range and actually had a good day on Wednesday. That's a buy with a stop under 495. And ONGC, which is in a persistent uptrend, just like TCS, is a buying opportunity. Again, while you can go intraday, really these wealth creators need to be held for a longer period of time. Buy ONGC with a stop under 150.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. Let's do one thing. Let's take a quick commercial break, but auto stocks will be in focus. So we will get Kotak Securities to talk about Q3 earnings in the auto sector in just a bit.